What would Spirit Team like to share with me today? We are grateful for this connection and thrilled that we are deepening this relationship. As a vessel is seeing, we are coming through even in dream states to help guide and show that we are real, that we are here for you. The vessel has a question in regards to the dream he had last night. Some of it is currently a blur, but the gist of it is that there was a transmutation of dark to light, from the illusion of disconnect to the experience of being reconnected. The vessel once spoke about, after hearing a experience from someone who had experienced the darker realms of just the experience of disconnect, and if he was ever brought forward to that realm to help lift others out, to at least show them that there is a way and that there is light. And so it's been on the vessel's mind often as of late. And so the dream that the vessel had was one of transmutation, darkness to light. And so there was a big dark cloud, and he brought that in and released it. Did it in the dream state, which many of you understand is one of confusion at times. And so when that happened, we celebrated and we came forward right away to show that you are not alone, but we are here rooting for you. The vessel is curious who the blue orb is. We have shared with the vessel to research this, as the answer is there. Seek for the color, and the name will be present. Thank you, team. Is there anything else you'd like to share with me today? Continue learning from yourself in regards to being in balance. Listen to your words as you speak, as often it is coming through the integration of this connection. We are grateful.